Hello, you're welcome to Oluwatunseyi channel, where we do kitchen hacks, healthy and easy to make recipes you can try at home. You're welcome to another episode of Smoothies and Juices, and in this video we will be making a mouth-watering guava smoothie. So come along with me. Here are the ingredients: 1 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of milk, 2 guavas, 2 apples, ginger. I will use 2 small round slices. Let's set them aside and dive into the preparation. Now, with our clean hands and fruits already washed, let's chop the fruits, bearing in mind that we will remove the core of the apples. Apple, ginger, and guava are a nice combination. Apples are rich in vitamin C, fiber, aids weight loss. They are a good source of antioxidants. Ginger. Chop them nicely. Ginger is an immune booster. Next is the guava. If you are able to chew the seeds, they are very good. I want the smoothie to be smooth. You get what I mean? Smooth smoothie, as the name implies. So if my blender is not able to blend the seeds very well, I won't bother. Guava as a fruit should be eaten in moderation. Guava is said to be good for diabetes, lowers the risk of cancer. Guava is a good source of fiber, calcium, folate, vitamins A, B, and C, and helps to relieve constipation, just to mention a few. Put everything chopped into the blender cup. Add the milk, then the water. Blend everything together until smooth. And here we have our smoothie. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a like, a thumbs up if you found value in any part. Share to friends and family, and kindly subscribe if you've not done so. I'll see you in another video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.